Hey, Bob Carr here for another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Today, I got the latest and greatest team member of TLC in the call center. And this fella takes care of inbound service calls, inbound leads, takes care of customers' problems, addresses them, and gets the right people scheduled to handle the problem. Mr. Sam, thanks for coming in today and chatting with us. How you like your new position here at TLC?
It's great. I love it. It's a different experience. I come from working in a lot of restaurants and that sort of thing, but same general customer service kind of field. And I'm learning a lot, and I love it.
Gotcha. So what's one of the biggest challenges or frustrations that you've had to adjust to?
I would say just learning the computer system that we have here and just getting comfortable with, getting routes correct and making sure that I can make our techs' lives a little bit easier, and trying to balance out between, what I can do for the customers as well as what I can do for the people that we work with to try and make everybody's life work and manage that a little bit easier.
So tell me about one of your first or second week blunders where you messed up and now it's funny.
I would say
wasn't funny at the time, but now you look at it.
I would say that just the scheduling stuff. Like, I'd be putting somebody who's going out to do free estimates to dig a trench and move some sprinkler heads, and that's obviously not their wheelhouse.
I gotcha. So you made a couple of mistakes like doing that.
Absolutely.
But that's going to happen, because you're getting used to what you're doing and then the right lingo and where it goes, how you schedule it. And there's a lot of moving parts.
No doubt.
A lot of moving parts. Because we got folks been with us for years calling for, could be a simple startup or repair. Then you got new people calling in and you're trying to address that, fulfill that request, and then get the right tech, the right knowledge based on that. It's a lot of different systems and a lot of pieces.
Oh, yeah.
But you enjoying it overhaul?
I am. Yeah, it's a challenge. It's different. I've never been, in this sort of industry before. So it's a welcome challenge. I enjoy it. I do.
I gotcha. So Sam, tell me, what's the differences or similarities between the systems we use and the restaurant businesses, the systems they use? What do you see different? What do you see the same?
I would say that the similarities are that both require the people at the top to give everybody down below them the resources that they need to succeed, whether that be the information or having the correct supervisors there, and even as far as just like the proper equipment, like giving access to in a restaurant anything that might go bad or might go up, just giving them the opportunity to have the best equipment and materials for everybody to succeed.
Now, I got a question for you. In a restaurant business, if you were on the server level and you're serving food, you serve a couple a meal, and someone has a complaint about something, how much leeway did you have to just correct it right then and there yourself?
A fair amount, I think.
Okay.
But I would have to use my best judgment. I couldn't stand there and promise, the world to somebody and then have to go back and immediately, similar to when I'm scheduling things, I can't here TLC, where I can't necessarily just immediately promise I'm going to have something available on this specific day before I actually go back and make sure that it's available and
But you're always trying to help the client out. That's what I was getting at,
yes,
right?
100%.
You're trying to resolve a situation.
Yes, I without throwing the business under the bus as well. It's a balance that you have to have, and that's just part of having just
dealing with the public. You're trying to take care of the client, though.
Yes, 100%.
Because they're the ones paying us.
Yes, 100%.
People always confuse that. Bob, you're paying us. No, I'm a conduit for the money. Our clients are paying us. We want to take care of our clients.
100%.
If we don't take care of them, somebody else will.
Right, 100%. Absolutely. You need to, because that's where all of your future business is going to come from as well.
Absolutely. A lot of people forget that, don't they?
Absolutely.
For sure. Sam, I appreciate you stopping in and seeing us today. And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you guys next week.